welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anika and my page is called ReveueStyle because we all are dreamers, so dreamers indeed. And today I'm gonna review about lip care. It's been ages that I've reviewed any product on YouTube, since I don't know when was my last post, but I thought let me come back and keep on posting new stuff for you guys. And I got my hands on amazing lip cares such as these lip tints. These are called a lip mask, and then there's lip tints, and they're different colors and I really love it, and I thought why not just share it in one place. So without further ado, let me get started with it. The brands that I'll be sharing you guys would be the Earth Rhythm Just Herbs, as well as ENN's lip mask, and my favorite Love Earth. I love this color. I'm gonna show you guys all the swatches, as well as which is the best one and affordable one, as well as which is known to be famous but it does not exactly work. So number one comes the Earth Rhythm lip tint, lip and cheek tint. So this is very famous. I felt this was like similar to the Body Shop one, but that was my favorite and it got out of stock for some reason, especially I believe it was the hibiscus one. I just loved it, but unfortunately I'm not getting it anywhere. So this one is very famous on, if you Google search, but the problem which I felt, the pigmentation is more thicker in nature, as well as the color just stands out on your lips. If you have a big lips like mine, it has this glossy look, but I would say it's good for hydrating in some way, but not a go-to. So number one pro, the color is good, it works great, but still I feel it's not up to the mark because it also leaks after a point of time, as you can see here. So this is the number one famous one in comparing to the Google search, but I did not find that great. Earth Rhythm, this is the good one I feel. This is number two, which is called as Pluck It, and this is in the shade of Hey Ho There. So I should say it's like Popeye the Sailor Man. Popeye will be offended from my speech, but anyways, Pluck It, the color is so good. It has this nude brown color. So yeah, as you can see, I've not used much, but I love this color. It goes well in your cheeks, gives you, as you can see this, it's pretty color, like I love this is good for a nude shade. I would not suggest for anyone in warm and cool tone. Neutral tone skin would match more, but yeah, it's up to your choice. If it looks good on you, it looks good on you. Don't care about warm skin or cold skin or anything as such. Next favorite is the Just Herbs. I love the color, but I felt this gives us a little dry to, it's not that moisture as it says to be. So in the second use I felt it was good. Then after a point, I love the color. Definitely the color is pretty pink. This one is Pale Pink 03, and this is also a lip and cheek tint. Ingredients are also fine in comparing to most of the other brands out there. Then comes this TAC. This is an Ayurvedic brand which mostly represents traditional Indian care, as well as this one that I'm using is Indian Rose Lip Butter. I felt the smell is too strong. I love how authentic it is as it smells, because you can, as soon as you open it, you get this, it's dry rose smell, that strong smell. But I feel like when I use it on my lips, I get headache after a point because of the strong smell. Some people it will definitely suit, for some I don't think so, but it is definitely hydrating in nature. As you can see, my skin is shining here. If you cannot see it, I don't know, you can see it, but it's transparent. But yeah, this is very hydrating, definitely hydrating, but the smell is too strong that I get headache. So this is from the Love Earth color, which, let me see what's the color. The change says creamy matte lip, eye and cheek tint. This is a multi-pod one. As you can see, I've used it so much. Yeah, I've used it so much. This color by far the best. So you can see it's so creamy. Like as soon as I put, it's like so creamy, and it's, you can just put a nude lipstick and just tap it all, and it gives you all this you know, those Korean lip style. So yeah, you can put on your eyes as well as your cheeks. And this is my such a go-to. Like the smell, I don't think so it's that great in comparing to most of the other brands, but it is by far the best. The color is also good, as well as it is creamy texture. Lastly, I have this lip mask. So this I recently got by, and this I like this red one. It's called as Plucker. It's called as hydrating lip mask with but anyways, hyaluronic acid or hyaluronic acid. Did I pronounce it right? I'm so bad. But anyways, yeah. So this is more like a reddish rather than pinkish. It's a little glossy, not that glossy, and it is hydrating for sure. This is like a lip mask rather than a lip tint. So yeah, that is that. Then another one is a purple edition of the same black currant. This has a little purplish texture, but it's transparent. You barely can see it as much in your lips. It just hydrates your lips. This has jojoba, or you say jojoba. I don't know, most of the people say in so, but I call it as jojoba. So jojoba oil and hyaluronic acid also in this one. And yeah, so these are the ones. Like now I can do bold chudiya with my, I should also do, I'm so bad, I know I've spoken a lot. Anyways, this is the final product. This is a lip scrub. I remember I just told you in the beginning number 1, and then I forgot all the numbers. Oh shit. It is from the Bella Vita Organic. I love their perfumes. They are so good. They are so affordable, and it smells so like as if even if you wash your clothes, it's gonna last. Anyways, I'm not promoting that, but yeah, this is their lip scrub, and this is pretty. It has this strawberry berry smell, but this is a nice scrub if you want to just exfoliate your lips as well as get that hydration. Is Nico lips. Yeah, so as you have already understood, I'm not good in pronouncing, but at least I'm not bad. All the lip care that I showed you has the similar ingredients, that is the bee wax, vitamin E, castor oil, jojoba oil or jojoba oil, whatever you want to call it as. So if you find anything harmful in specific in these ingredients, if you come across, do mention it in the comments so that I can let others know about it and not promote it. I did my research, but in case sometimes we all are human, we do miss certain things. If you have found, do let me know. So all the lip care that I showcased is in the range from 100 to 500. None of them are more than 500, and all you will be getting from Amazon, as well as the link I'll be mentioning on my bio. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and would definitely look into it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I keep sharing such great affordable products for you and keep on reviewing, because I love to unbox.